Hi, welcome to ICT's channel. We offer SMT production lines for various industries. In this video, we'll give you a detailed look at our fully automatic printing machine.
The next machine from ICT, also very nice stencil printer.
This is the printer where we can put the paste on the printed board.
With very good accuracy and very good options.
Our solder paste printers are used in many industries, and we've helped clients set up factories in these fields. The printer has 7 systems that go beyond many customer needs, and also offers 21 optional features, all of which have been continuously improved. Easy to operate with a simple interface. Set the parameters once and no frequent adjustments are needed. Installing the stencil and squeegee takes just a few minutes. Once the solder paste is added, all preparations are complete. See the red light? It's the CC defocusing, aligning the stencil and PCB marks. Let's watch that in slow motion. Next is the solder paste printing, which you are familiar with. With the stencil force feedback system, you get the best printing results and avoid damaging the stencil. After printing, SPI inspection automatically checks and reports print quality. Now showing the wet cleaning of the stencil. You can set it to clean after every 5 PCB. If you're concerned about PCB warping, you can use support pins. And you can also choose gridlock support blocks. You can see it fits all kinds of PCB. Ever had a batch go bad because someone forgot the solder paste? We've all been there. Sensor will tell if solder paste is needed. Input PCB thickness, and the platform auto adjusts to keep the PCB level, preventing warping. These small holes create strong suction to keep the PCB steady. It works the same way as fixing the PCB, the holes in the cantilever suction the stencil to hold it in place. Real-time data can be viewed on the computer. This feature is incredibly useful. This is a customer from Tajikistan. We just completed service for them, and they can produce almost all types of LED products. This is customer from Uruguay in South America produces smart meters and water meters. They were thrilled after we helped them produce their first smart meter. Can you guess what they produce?